Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in the last video I have discussed on the definition of set, how to identify it is a set or not, and the definition of roster form and set builder form. In roster form, what we will do, we will list all the elements. First we have to list all the elements, and they are separated by commas and enclosed within the flower bracket. For example, vowels in English alphabets, vowels in English alphabet. So vowels in English alphabets, first list all the elements. What are the elements? What are the vowels in English alphabets? A, E, I, O, U. All the elements are separated by commas and enclosed within the bracket. We call this one as roster form. How to write set builder form? They will be given in roster form. That means that all the elements are separated by commas and enclosed within the bracket. They will be given. You have to write in terms of set builder form. Set builders form means you have to write it in sentence form. That is, take set A is equal to collection of all elements. How we will read this is collection of all elements X, such that what is this X? X is a vowel. X is a vowel in English alphabet. X is a vowels in English alphabet. Is it necessary to take always X? You can take any variable there. So B is a set, collection of all vowels, collection of all Y. That is nothing but Y is nothing but Y is a vowel. Y is a vowels in English alphabet. Y is a vowels in English alphabet. Y is a vowel means what? A, E, I, O, U in place of Y. That is understood. A, E, I, O, U. X is a vowels in English alphabet means that is understood that A, E, I, O, U. We can take any variable here. So how to read is A is equal to collection of all X such that X is a vowels in English alphabet. In this video, we are going to learn more about roster form and set builder form. So coming to exercise 1.1, write the following sets in roster form. Roster form means first you have to list all the elements. After listing, you have to separate it by commas and enclosed within the flower bracket. These three steps you should follow to write the sets in roster form. So in the first question they have given A is equal to collection of all X such that X is an integer. That integer, X is an integer, that integer lies between -3 to 7. Okay, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have written integers on a number line. In this, first number and the last number is not included. It is not included. We should not consider first number and last number because they have given less than, strictly less than. Whenever you have strictly less than or strictly greater than symbol, first and last number we should never include. If we have less than or equal to, suppose if we have -3 is less than or equal to X is less than or equal to 7, or -3 is greater than or equal to X is greater than or equal to 7. If you have less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, that means starting point and ending point are included. They are included. You should consider that. So how to write this set? How to write this in roster form? Roster form means you should first list all the elements -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Starting point and ending point you should not consider because it is strictly less than, and all the elements are separated by commas and enclosed within the flower bracket. So what is the answer now? -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be the answer. Next, second one, B is equal to collection of all X. X is a natural number less than 6. You should write X is a natural number. Natural number starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should not consider 6 because it is strictly less than. Strictly less than means you should not consider this. So what are the numbers that are less than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are enclosed within the flower bracket. You should not consider 6 here. Next question is C is equal to collection of all x. X is a 2-digit natural numbers such that the sum of digits is 8. You should consider 2-digit natural numbers. For example, 1 and 7. 1 and 17 is a natural number and it is a 2-digit numbers. When you add 7 and 1 and 7, definitely you will be getting 8. When you add these two, you will be getting 8. Next number is 2 and 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Next, 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is 8. 4 and 4 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. So 8 is a 2-digit numbers. 2-digit natural number. So these are the elements. So C is equal to, you should list all the elements. They are separated by commas and enclosed within the flower bracket. So when you add sum of two numbers, you should get it as 8. So next one is fourth one, that is D is equal to collection of all x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. So prime number, it is a divisor of 60. 2 3s are 6, write 0 as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Next 3 5s are 15. So D is equal to all the prime numbers. All the prime numbers you have to write, which is a divisor of 60. 2, 2, 3, 5. So in a set, we should never repeat the elements. If you have two times, you should write only one time. That is the rule. So how to write set means the numbers should not repeat again. If you have 2, 2, you should write it one time. That is 2, 3, 5. 2, 3 and 5 are the divisors of 60 and these numbers are prime numbers. Next. Now coming to next question. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry. E is equal to the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So E is equal to, you have to write all the letters separated by commas you should write, and the numbers and the elements we should not repeat it here. So if you write T once, again we should not repeat this, we should not consider T. Again write R one time, this R we should not repeat. Then I, G, O we should not repeat, only one time we should write. N, M, E, Y. So these are the elements that we have to write without repeating the letters, without repeating the elements. Next question, F is equal to the set of all letters in the word better. So F is equal to, you have to write it in roster form. Roster form is flower bracket. Inside the flower brackets we should write the elements. B one time, E one time we should write, T one time, R. We should not repeat the elements while writing the roster form, or in any set it is applicable. We should not repeat the digits, or we should not repeat the numbers. And order of the set doesn't matter. You see, if you write B, T, R in T, E, B, R, both are same. It doesn't matter. If you write T first, E, B, R, order of the elements doesn't matter. You can write it in any order. Next, coming to fourth question, that is write the sets in set builder form. How to write this following sets in set builder form? They have given in roster form. Roster form is commas, numbers they have listed enclosed by a flower bracket. They have given in the roster form. You have to write it in set builder form. How to write it in set builder form? Set builder form is nothing but you have to write it in sentence form. simply we can in simple language we can say that we have to write this list of elements in statement form. So consider any set. Set A is equal to collection of all x. What is this x? X is nothing but it is a natural number. It is a multiple of 3. It is a natural number. 3, 6, 9, 12. It is a natural number, right? So what is this x? X is a natural number. X is a natural number. And it is a multiple of 3, correct? And it is a multiple of 3. That x should be less than 15. It should be less than 15. See, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. It is a natural number. It is a multiple of 3 and it should be less than 15. And it should be less than 15. 15 is not included, so you have to write strictly less than. It should be strictly less than 15. Okay, coming to next question. So write B. B is equal to collection of all x. What is this x? X is equal to 2 to the power n. Can I write 2 to the power n? Because 2 to the power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 to the power 4 is 16, 2 to the power 5 is 32. So we can write 2 to the power n. So what are this n? What are these n? What are the powers? Powers, it is a natural number. So power n. N belongs to natural number. N belongs to means n should be from a natural number. And this n should not exceed 5. And this n should not exceed 5. Say up to 5 you have. So in this example, only in this question only up to 5 we have, and it should not exceed greater than 5. Similarly, we can do fifth one. So 5 can be written as 5 to the power 1. 5 square is 25, 5 cube is 125, 5 to the power 4 is 625. So C is equal to collection of all x such that x is equal to 5 to the power n. Similarly we can do, and n is a natural number. Definitely all the powers you can see here, it is a natural number and should not exceed 4. And should not exceed 4 means n should be less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4 means it is a natural number, and less than or equal to 4, that means n should be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, fourth one is 2, 4, 6, 8. So D is equal to collection of all x. What is x here? Two even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8. All are even numbers. So x is an even natural numbers. It is a even natural numbers. It is a positive numbers, even natural numbers. You have to write inside the flower bracket. Next, fifth one is 1, 4, 9, 100. So it is a square numbers. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2, 3 square is 9, and like the 10 square is 100. So we can write set E is equal to collection of all x such that x is equal to, either we can write like this, n square. X is equal to n square. What is this? N belongs to natural numbers. All this n, that is 1, 2, 3 up to 10, it is a natural number, and that n should not exceed 10. Last number is 10. It should not exceed 10. It should be 10. Last number should be 10. I hope it is clear. Then we are moving to fifth question. List all the elements of the following sets. List all the elements. So A is equal to collection of all x. X is an odd natural numbers. So we have to list all the elements natural numbers. List. So 1, 3, 5, 7. So since they have not given ending point, all the natural numbers, odd natural numbers, so you have to write etc. X is an integer. Minus 1 by 2 is nothing but minus 0.5. X lies between minus 0.5 and 4.5. You have to write integers between this. So you have to write integers. Let me you have to write an integer. So let me show you on a number line. So draw a number line: minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you will be having 4.5, here you will be having minus 0.5. So it is an integer. Integer means what? 0. It should not be decimal, it should not be decimal, it should not be fraction. Integers you should write. So what will be the answer? B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, third one, C is equal to collection of all x. X is an integer. X square is less than or equal to 4. Take x value as 0. When you take x value as 0, 0 square is 0. 0 is less than or equal to 4. True. Take x value as 1. 1 square is less than or equal to 4. True. Take x value is minus 1. Substitute here. Substitute x square. Minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is less than or equal to 4. 1 is less than or equal to 4. It is also true. Take x value is 2. 2 square is less than or equal to 4. 4 is less than or equal to 4. You have a less than condition. You have less than condition. So it is also true. Take x value is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is less than or equal to 4. Minus 2 square means minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4 is less than or equal to 4. Definitely less equal to condition satisfies. It is also true. So take x equals 3. 3 square is 9. 9 is less than or equal to 4. It is not true, right? It is not true. If you take any values other than 0, 1, minus 1, 2 and minus 2, you will be getting that condition. The given condition will not satisfy. Therefore, C is equal to, what are the numbers? 0, 1, minus 1, 2 and minus 2. These are the numbers that will satisfy this inequalities. Next, D is equal to collection of all x. X is a letter in the word lawyer. D is equal to L, O, Y, A, L. We should not repeat the letters. We should not repeat the letter. Only one time we should write. Next, E is equal to X in the month of the year, not having 31 days. Not having 31 days. What are the months that we don't have 31 days? That is February, April, June, September and November. These are the months that we are not having 31 days. So F is equal to collection of all x. X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Which precedes K means suppose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Which precedes K. Preceding alphabets you should see, and which should not be a vowel. It should be a consonant. A, E, I. It should not be A, E, I. And you have to consider all the elements that precedes K. What are the elements that precedes K? And it should be consonant. Consonant is B, C, D, F, G, H, J. So this will be the answer. So you have to write set F is equal to, you have to write set. So you should write set F is equal to all the consonants you should write that precedes K. Next question is match each of the set of the left in the roster form they have given. You have to match with the set builder form. So okay, we can easily match this mathematics, that is third one. We can easily match 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It is an odd number and it is a natural number. It is less than, that means this is fourth answer. It is an odd number. Odd numbers, it should be less than or equal to 10. So fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 6. What are 1, 2, 3, 6? 1, 2, 3, 6, it is a natural number. Yes, definitely it is a natural number. So all the numbers are divisor of 6. All the numbers are divisible. All the numbers, it is a divisor of 6. And 2, 3. 2 and 3 are definitely a prime number and it is a divisor of 6. So it will be the answer. Thank you for watching this video. So in the next class we will be learning more about different types of sets and exercise 1.2.